She did a really wrong job. I still have a very stone-like scar permanently there. Unfortunately, within a week, Rajesh uh, got the symptoms. He tested positive. His father expired उस
Oh,
दौरान जब वो
God.
hospital में थे. Shahid and Nishan, and she's raised them so beautifully, so beautifully. I mean, hats off to her. She's been an amazing mother to both the boys. खुदा का नंद लाला, ब्रिज का उजाला है.
It is said that motherhood is one of the best experiences a woman can have. However, sometimes life can be hard. Vandana Sajnani Khattar is one mother who had fought all the odds, and despite various failed attempts at pregnancy, she had become a mother in her 40s, motivating millions of women out there and proving the phrase biological clock ticking wrong. Thank you, Vandana ma'am, for joining us today.
Most welcome. Thank you, Shreya, for having me online.
Thank you, ma'am. So I remember we connected over your C-section delivery going wrong post over social media. And
That's
so
right.
can you please elaborate more about that?
Uh, it's actually a long story. I'll try to make it as concise and in detail as possible. So I had, as most people who follow me on Instagram or काफी लोग जो news पढ़ते हैं, they pretty much know that I've had a really tough journey and lots of IVF failures and miscarriages and surrogacy failures. And finally, God uh, gave me a chance to be pregnant, much late in life, but it's never too late.
Yes.
So this happened on a cesarean section situation because I was actually carrying twins.
Okay.
And my uterus lining was weak, so they had to kind of stitch me. And 6 months I was pretty much in hospital with my legs up. And फिर suddenly ऐसे कुछ हालात हुए which I lost my one baby inside on my 5.5 or 6 month, and immediately we had to go for a C-section. और जो मेरी एक्चुअल गायना है वो उस वक्त ट्रैवल कर रही थी बिकॉज शी डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट कि मैं इतनी जल्दी डिलीवरी करूंगी, प्रीमेच्योर होगा. तो आई हैड टू इमीडिएटली गेट रश टू अनदर हॉस्पिटल, to Surya Hospital, which is actually a very good hospital. They have the best NICU, and my son was in NICU for 3-4 months. But coming back to the cesarean section going wrong, जो डॉक्टर ने मुझे उस वक्त हैंडल किया, मैं उनको जानती थी लेकिन मैं सरप्राइज हूँ खुद के ऐसे कैसे किया उन्होंने. And she did a really wrong job. I still have a very stone-like scar permanently there. And when we got both our babies out, unfortunately, one was no more. But when Raj came out, they just rushed him, and she did something which probably was not right medically, technically. And 2 दिन बाद जब मुझे बिस्तर से कहा गया आप अपने पैर नीचे रख सकते हो, I put my feet down and I remember that a lot of liquid came gushing out और मेरे stitches खुल गए और I couldn't walk. I mean, it was all right there, and we had to kind of again put me in hospital and again redo the whole process. And उसके बाद कुछ 4 महीने तक तो मुझे हर दिन ड्रेसिंग करना पड़ता था और हर दिन मैं अपने बेबी को अपना ब्रेस्ट मिल्क देने NICU जाती थी. And that's when I used to also do a dressing. So it was a daily affair that you clean up. So it was a completely traumatic experience post delivery with regards to C-section.
That was really, I mean, I'm having goosebumps listening to this. So
because it's like, 6 महीने आप पहले हॉस्पिटल में रहो और डिलीवर करो और फिर आप हॉस्पिटल में फिर जाओ और उसके बाद एक और पोस्टमार्टम जर्नी. सो इट्स बीन अ रियल हॉस्पिटल जर्नी.
You just did your best to have your baby, and we feel so happy on that कि आपने give up नहीं किया उस चीज को लेकर.
कभी नहीं, कभी. I mean, there was a time I was ready to give up everything. And ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं as you know कि मैंने सरोगेसी भी ट्राई किया. ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे ही माँ बनना है और मुझे ही अपने पेट से बच्चा मेरे कोख से लाना, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. I was even trying for adoption at some point, but चीजें नहीं हो रही थी. और सारे मेडिकल साइंस को मैंने टैप किया और फाइनली मैनिफेस्टेशन really helps. So I guess it worked out.
Actually. So, ma'am, how was your pregnancy experience after all those failed attempts?
So it was very depressing because it's not easy to be in the hospital before delivery and then post delivery, and then all these scars and the cesarean section, which kind of spoiled it all for me. But I kept hope, and I kept with my baby, was feeding and everything, and trying to bond with my child as much. So the whole motherhood feeling had not yet completely sunk in. मतलब एक होता है ना कि आप 9 महीने इंतजार कर, आपने किक्स, आई डिडंट एक्सपीरियंस किक्स बिकॉज जब तक वो किक्स के स्टेज पे मैं आ गई, आई हैड टू डिलीवर. So I didn't experience any movements, and I just experienced a lot of vomiting from the first month. And so I have not experienced a maternity shoot. I have not experienced showing my stomach and posing, or walking out with a loose gown, and I haven't experienced butterflies in my stomach, like, okay, telling Rajesh, please, ha Rajesh sun lo kuch matlab movement. I didn't experience all of that. So main cha rahi thi ki theek hai, as now let me experience that whole bond once Ivan came, and then the whole journey of half the time recovering and half the time breastfeeding. So I didn't get it. But then finally 6 months down the line, I went into depression, and I had a huge attack of postpartum depression. तो फिर मुझे वो मौका ही नहीं मिला कि युवान के साथ एक बॉन्ड, एक अटैचमेंट शेयर कर पाऊं. And then I was on medication, and then medication did not allow me to breastfeed. तो breastfeeding मैंने 6-7 months किया, तो वो एक bond is always there, when you have that maternal touch. So bas ye hua. And when I had my postpartum depression, I was again in hospital for 3-4 months. But after I came back from hospital, I remember it was Mother's Day. And Yuvan came home from the NICU on Janmashtami. So he's our little Krishna. And I came from the hospital on Mother's Day. So उस दिन से लेकर आज तक I don't think एक भी दिन मैं उसके बगैर रही हूँ. And I hope ऐसा कभी हो भी नहीं.
It won't ever happen, ma'am. Yuvan is really a little Krishna. So, ma'am, Yuvan has been growing up during these testing times of COVID. So how do you manage to keep him busy during these days? And also Rajesh sir had tested positive. So how had you managed to keep him away from sir during these times?
It was a very, very trying time for all of us put together. I had a mannat that मैं जब Yuvan, when he'll start walking, crawling, when he'll start kind of being easy to manage, I had decided that I will go to all the places जहाँ जहाँ मैंने मन्नत मांगी थी. हरिद्वार, वृंदावन, अमृतसर गोल्डन टेम्पल, बहुत सारी जगह, अजमेर दरगाह. तो I thought, okay, let me start. And that time, the first wave had kind of, subdued, and things were moving back. People were holidaying, people were going out, restaurants खुल गए थे, flights खुल गए थे, बहुत कुछ open up हो गया था.
Everything was almost back to normal. The only thing was
everything was back to normal. बिल्कुल. So it was mask for security and safety, which was good. But otherwise, everything was moving, So I told Rajesh कि मेरी ख्वाहिश है कि मैं अब start करूं. Because थोड़ा थोड़ा start करूंगी तो, annually we can keep completing all the trips. So we started with Shirdi पहले Shirdi गए थे, which was close by. I wanted to see how Yuvan will take to traveling. क्या वो road travel कर पाएगा और long hours बैठ पाएगा. So he was a complete traveler like his mom. I'm a vagabond. So Shirdi happened. Then when we went to all these places, Haridwar, and सब कुछ ठीक था. Everything was normal. And we never expected, ऐसा होता है ना कि हम तो बहुत precaution ले रहे हैं और हमारे साथ हो ही नहीं सकता. But ऐसा नहीं है, it's you never know where it comes from. How does one get it? It could be the most. You could be so careful. Like my neighbor, she's never stepped out of the house, I think for 1.5 years. She's not even allowed a part-time maid to come in. मतलब और उसे हो गया. तो आप कहीं you cannot understand the, the dynamics. How does it happen?
Yeah.
तो आप घर बैठे बैठे हो सकते हो और मैं पूरी दुनिया घूम के आई हूँ और मुझे नहीं हुआ. तो it's all very different. So finally we went to all these places. हम दिल्ली सारा जर्नी के बाद जब हम दिल्ली गए, दिल्ली had hit COVID had hit Delhi very badly at that point. और immediately second wave, just हम पहुंचे within a week second wave की announcement हो गई कि oh my god इतने cases हो रहे हैं, इतने cases बढ़ रहे हैं. And we went to Delhi. My husband's father has been bedridden for almost 7-8 years. So हम जा रहे थे कि Yuvan meets his Dadaji. And unfortunately within a week Rajesh got the symptoms. He tested positive. His father expired उस दौरान जब वो हॉस्पिटल में थे. तो वो घर में it was like वहाँ कोठी है. It's like a up and down system. So me and Yuvan were in one room. My mother-in-law was in one room. She lost her husband. One brother had COVID in the other room. Rajesh ended up going to the hospital where we were struggling to kind of get him a bed. So and when Rajesh was at home, वो बहुत difficult time था because Yuvan and Rajesh, I mean, I had to take care of my son. Kids are prone to any kind of such things, which is like, the most easy targets. So it was very difficult. तो ऐसा भी नहीं था कि कोई see through door और मैं युवान को दिखा दूँ और बात करवा दूँ. FaceTime पे आप, he's like, and there were these pipes on him in the hospital. He couldn't recognize his father. You just look at him and he just walk away. So there was no papa, and that whole bond had changed. Rajesh looked very different, very, very, very exhausted, tired, unwell, and with all those. And then to look after my mother-in-law and to handle the rest of the family and to cook and to take care of my child, and most importantly to take care of his mind. Because वो जो देखते हैं ना वो ग्रास्प करते हैं, वो फियर देखते हैं तो उन्हें भी फियर समझ में, मतलब ये क्या हो रहा है, मुझे कोई हक क्यों नहीं कर रहा है, मुझे कोई मेरे साथ कोई खेल क्यों नहीं रहा है, मेरे साथ बात क्यों नहीं कर रहा है, मैं दादी के पास क्यों नहीं जा सकता, so that kind of thing, to get him occupied was a task because I was multitasking, and to play with him, to keep him happy and to pretend to be happy when I was not, and to keep laughing and joking and playing games. And luckily वहाँ एक छोटा सा terrace था तो आप थोड़ा हवा खा सकते थे. In Bombay, the flats don't allow you, apartments don't allow you that kind of openness where you can just नीचे आप खेल सकते हो. तो थोड़ा बहुत खेला, थोड़ा बहुत I tried to keep him occupied, but it's not easy. I mean, I really want to I can relate to a lot of mummies out there who are going through this pandemic with lockdown babies, as Yuvan is a complete lockdown baby. मतलब एक ही बाहर निकला है घर से पूरे 2 साल में. He's turning 2 years on 18th, so it's almost 2 years. Yeah.
So what are your plans for Yuvan's first birthday? Do you have any plans for
second birthday?
Sorry, second birthday.
Yeah, second. First birthday was also at home with family. And the second birthday is also going to be at home with family. I might just take him to
celebration.
Yeah, I might just take him to a play area. Where it's just us. I'll just book the place only for our family, and have some good times there, and try and make him, do some slides or balls or activities. But otherwise, his life has been Mamu, Mami, Nana, Nani, Masi. These are his friends. He has no friends. Unfortunately, he's not had, making of friends or play dates.
Hope situations get better and he gets to enjoy life more.
I hope so. I hope so too.
Yeah. So, ma'am, Yuvan technically has a brother in Ishan Khattar. So, what kind of bond do they share?
Oh, अभी तक bond का मौका ही नहीं मिला. Like I said, Yuvan was just almost newborn. He was just few months old, and Nishan had come home, and so did Nilima, and both of them came home. They spent time with Ishan, but he was very small, like he was some 6 months or something, and I was very unwell. I was going through my depression stage at that time, so they were playing with him, and I was very in a very different state of mind. So हम ज़्यादा activities भी नहीं कर पाए, कुछ ज़्यादा conversations भी नहीं हो पाया. But again, Nilima came, and that time I was much better, and we had a good time. And then the whole lockdown happened, and then they went to Goa. They were staying in Goa for a few months. फिर हम निकल गए, तो and our building was not allowing guests to come in.
Yeah.
So we couldn't have any, nor could we go to their house, or nor could they come to us. Plus they were traveling. So I'm just hoping that ab, after this wave gets over and things get better, these boys meet up, yeah, and there's some bro happening there.
Sure, ma'am. It will surely happen. So, ma'am, you became a mother in your 40s. So, are there any disadvantages that come with becoming a mother in your 40s, like with managing your child or any such thing?
Yeah, I don't have the energy that I had in my 20s or 30s.
But that does not look like anything. It doesn't look.
No,
You
I'm
don't have
old
any such
now.
energy.
I'm old now, but yeah, it's like not old at heart. So I'm very young at heart, and I'm going to stay that way.
Yeah.
So yeah, the energy levels. I'm talking about the energy levels. It gets a little different and difficult, but it's keeping me going. It's difficult because it's also a huge challenge amongst my my friends, in the sense, luckily I have a lot of young friends, so their babies are of Yuvan's age. But if I look at friends of my age, then definitely मतलब वो तो स्कूल में बड़े हैं, शायद एक आध कॉलेज में भी होंगे. So it's very difficult to kind of get that whole कि ये मेरे फ्रेंड का बेटा है और अच्छा ये मेरा बेटा है. So that thing is there, but otherwise no, I don't see any major issue. एक आध लोग ऐसे फील करते हैं कि नहीं, you cannot have a baby at this age, because eventually the child will have nobody once you guys grow, and he, by the time he reaches college, maybe you and your husband might not even be in this world. तो ये सब नेगेटिविटी है, और नेगेटिविटी कभी कभी सुनने भी मिलता है. But I don't care, because it's how you accept it. It's I want to be his friend till I die, for sure.
Yeah. Actually, so ma'am, you and Nilima ma'am have kids who belong to totally different age categories and brackets. So, do you end up sharing motherhood or parenthood tips, or if yes, then what do you talk about?
See, Nilima and me, we have conversations about. She's a movie buff, so I don't watch movies. She does a lot of series watching, and I don't watch series. So that conversation, when she starts, ये picture बहुत अच्छी है, तो देखने लायक, ये तो बहुत अच्छा है, ये आजकल वंदना, you must catch on this show. तो मैं होती हूँ कि अच्छा ठीक है, ये कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म पे आता है, I have no clue. Very sad. I've never really sat down to be a Netflix kind of girl, but she loves movies, and I love her for that, because she has so much great stuff to talk about, the knowledge that she has and all that. And as far as parenting tips, I think उसका वक्त अलग था, मेरा वक्त अलग है. So at that point there weren't things to do like the way we have, the exposure that we have, the kind of exposure kids get. तब तो मोबाइल फोन्स भी नहीं थे, So there was no way कि आप ये ऑनलाइन स्कूल्स एंड ऑनलाइन फेस टाइम फैमिली मेंबर्स के साथ, ये सारी चीजें अब है, एंड प्लस द लॉकडाउन, तो बहुत अलग काइंड ऑफ अपब्रिंगिंग भी हो रही है तब और अब में, फर्क तो है. बट इवेंचुअली मदरहुड एंड mother tips are always welcome, and she shares a lot about how she kind of raised Shahid and Ishan, and she's raised them so beautifully. I mean, hats off to her. She's been an amazing mother to both the boys, and they are brilliant. They're great, and so I would love to keep taking tips from her. And we share a great bond, for sure.
Okay, so it was really nice talking with you, ma'am. You're indeed a super mom, and I hope Yuvan just grows to be such a beautiful human being just like you. So it was really,
Thank
really,
you.
really beautiful.
He's already
interacting with you.
beautiful. He's gonna be more beautiful. He's
Yes,
already such a
sure.
miracle baby.
Actually,
He's a complete miracle baby.
actually. Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye. See you.
Bye bye. Yeah.
Mama eat? Give me please. Ah. Okay. Yeah. Do Ganesha. Ganesha dance. Krishna dance. Krishna dance. Do that song. यशोदा का नंद लाला ब्रिज का उजाला